Thank you, Chairperson. Thank you, other majorities opposing the proposed sides. I am here to oppose the motion which says that talent is better than education. Directly, this motion is not true through the following points. The first point, education help people to reduce the crimes in the country. Another point is education. I help researchers to get their theories through development of the education. Another point is education lead to the or encourages the creativity for an individual. Another one is education bring the respect to the society. Another point is education reduces the dependence of a country from another countries. I mean that the interference from another countries. I'm going to explain by starting the first point. Education reduces the crimes. This is directly means that, for example, there are many educated persons or many educated peoples. So it means that men are employed so that it can reduce the terrorism or robbers. Yeah. Another one is education. Education directly helps it to conserve or to preserve the environmental. I mean that, for example, if a person, or for example like you have get the education, so you get to know the effects of yeah. For example, wildlife, you will protect wildlife. You will protect wildlife. Another one, you will protect your forests for another generations. Thank you.
Okay. Questions so far?
Thank you, Chairperson, for this golden chance to ask a question. Unless the education can eliminate the crime, why cyber attack?
Okay, thank you, Mr. Chairperson. Thank you for asking very sexy question. Okay, you said unless the education, why cyber attacks? Do you want to tell me that talent can reduce cyber attack?
He didn't say so that talent can reduce cyber attack. But he is opposing your point that you say education can reduce cyber attack.
Okay, cyber attacks are because of education, and we need education to reduce cyber attacks.